Danielle, how did you use media technologies in the planning, research, production and evaluation stages?
To film, we used these HD Canon cameras mounted onto a tripod so that we had a steady shot. I set it to the highest quality and the largest screen so that when we zoomed in it wasn't really pixelated. We filmed on the daylight setting because we were filming on location and in the daylight, so it got the best balance of the lighting. We also filmed some of the footage on my iPhone, which is a 3 megapixel camera on the back. And then via USB we imported all of the footage onto the Macs and into Final Cut Express. We made 2 sequences along the bottom. We used sequence 1 to have our music and our final product, and then sequence 2 we used to edit all of our clips because some of them were really long. So we just cut them down in the second sequence and then copied them over. This just helped us so that the music didn't jump around and we didn't have to realign all of the lip syncing. The rough cut was exported using QuickTime conversion, and this allowed us to lower the definition so that it was quicker to export and also quicker to upload onto YouTube. Uploading onto YouTube allowed us to get instant audience feedback and also allowed us to embed it onto Blogger and onto Facebook so we could get more audience feedback from there. We also used the HD cameras and Harris's HTC phone to take our digipack photos. These were then uploaded into Photoshop, and we decided to use Photoshop because it allowed us to fine-tune all the filters and the text and make it exactly how we wanted to. And it also allowed us to crop Harris out of an original photo and then mask him onto the top of another one. We downloaded a contact sheet that we searched on Google, which made one of our inlays, and we downloaded all the appropriate legal things that go with that. And then that was imported straight onto Photoshop as well. These were then uploaded onto Blogger, which is where we used to contain all of our research and planning, all of our progress, and it was helpful for us because it allowed us to go back and edit things that we'd already published. It keeps all of our research and planning all in one place so we can find it easily. We also use Prezi to create slideshows and kind of like an expanding whiteboard, so you can just keep adding to it and then embedding it back into our blog posts. We also used an online PowerPoint software called SlideShare, which allowed us to create slideshows, but they're kept all online, so everything is kept really safe.